First ride on your new steed, buddy.
Excited? See what you can do.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
How you doing? What do you think of Chad's new quad?
This is Chad's new quad?
The boys gave it to me.
We surprised him. Oh my. So
Good Scrambler with the dead one.
wow, guys, she looks bad. Bounce, we're pulling out the Scrambler today, buddy.
Good, get it out of here.
There she is, Coach. She's rolling.
Tires flat yet?
Go right over nail.
Boys,
Eliminator! Straight to the junkyard.
start your engine.
Straight to the junkyard.
Straight to the junkyard for the Polaris.
See if I can knock him off. Attaboy!
It's about time if they go and take me serious. If you're not feeling this, you're probably delirious. I'm all one, yes I'm all one. That can never be me, cause I'm a rainbow when your dreams cause it's about time to turn the clock for sobriety. I can feel the hate building up, it's inside of me. I'm on one, yes I'm on one. That can never be me, cause I'm a rainbow when your dreams cause play the guitar like a young Santana. Rapping VT like my name Bernie Sanders. Living till life like my name Danny Phantom. All my champagne like
Yeah, for sure, Cody. I want to take that for a ride, buddy.
Me too, man. Me too.
You're the YFZ guy, so
Is it even clarified as a YFC?
yeah.
CG on my feet when I hop out. Me and B on the beat, that's a pop now. Whole squad going dumb like it's summer school. Got hits, got smashes like a drum or two. OMG, now you see me on the TV. Went from selling beats and now I'm selling CDs. Know you see me, know you need me, but believe me, I feel like dying like my name Lil Weezy. It's about time if they go and take me serious. If you're not feeling this, you're probably delirious. I'm all one, yes I'm all one. That can never be me, cause I'm a rainbow when your dreams cause it's about time to turn the clock.
Oh, she said, attaboy. Oh, what was it? Minute 30, Cody, you did it. 12 seconds. Well, he came in there flying, though, didn't he?
Bounce, what are we doing, buddy?
We're gonna show them my new machine.
The unveiling. Go, buddy.
Here we go. New machine. It's not a Honda.
Not a Honda, but you're 82 years old, buddy.
Shot bombs. Whether ours right for Christmas.
Long time.
Oh, man, what do you got there, buddy?
This is Cody's little quad. I gave it to him when he turned 4 years old. It's gone through 3 kids. Of course, it's a Suzuki.
Suzuki. Oh.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Talking about
Suzuki.
just got done bragging her up. Oh my God, that's what I'm talking about.
So basically, guys, we already went over with Dom. These guys didn't see it, so I'm just telling these guys. He put all the new parts on that I bought. So belt, starter, God, I can't even remember the list. But he actually, shout out to Dom, he went out of his way and did a lot more stuff to make sure this thing stays running good. Let her warm up a second. All right, Dom, gonna go on a little rip. Let's get her warmed up a second though, buddy. There she goes, Cold.
Pretty unique, huh?
Can't say I've ever experienced one of these. Yeah, man. That's kind of weird, though.
I know. The gauges, yeah.
Man, that's crazy. All right, boys, like Dom said, the Turbo Raptor doesn't really do it justice just taking it up and down the yard, does it, buddy?
No.
So we got a couple Raptors to compare it to. So we got mine, which is your standard 2017 Raptor 700, and it just has the big three on it. The DESA full exhaust system, and then the Power Commander and GYTR intake. So we're gonna compare it to that, right? And then we have Dom's. Dom, my former quad. Do you want to kind of give a rundown what's done to it again?
I don't know what you done to this thing, man. So.
And Cole's gonna be driving this since he don't have a Raptor 700.
Yeah. Oh, it's a 770, 12-to-1 compression. It's got a ported head, 2mm oversized valves, FCI intake, Barker duals, MSD blaster ignition.
If you wanted to light a flame, why'd you drench me in gasoline? If what you want is for me to change, how come you never put the match out? Now we both on fire.
Come on, Cole.
Nah, I ain't gonna win, man.
Is it?
I'm gonna get smoked.
You gonna get smoked? No, you aren't. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. You got this.
I think it'd be quite the upset if I didn't, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Shit, man. Logan Paul almost got Floyd. Come on.
You told me there was pain, but I didn't know what pain was. You said you wouldn't come, and so now I'm thinking all the ways that I'm trying to explain us. Shouldn't have to have a reason, 'cause I don't think the same as I did back then. I thought that we would stop letting this world win, with a picture of a heart taped to my chest.
Boys, it's a little late in the day. It's kind of spur of the moment decision, but Project Scrambler is finally going home. Yeah. She's done, and she's going back to a special someone. She's going back to my father-in-law, Lukey. It's his original quad, and he's getting it back, right, Code?
That's right. You're gonna want to push it out. I'm anxious. I'm so anxious.
Toe strap it over.
That'd be typical players, wouldn't it, Code? Bombs, you excited? You're gonna be
excited.
You're the one driving it over. How does it feel?
Driver, I'm gonna love it because I love Polaris so much.
Guy Jones got a razor.
Hi, buddy. Hi, pal.
Regulators! Take a look, Lukey. There she is, buddy. Your old steed.
A new quad looking.
So as you see, Lukey, this is
Got her back running, huh?
this is your old quad. We put all new tires on it. It's got an all new belt, all new starter, all new battery.
Holy shit.
Carb was completely rebuilt, and you lost a sticker.
What happened to the stickers?
But if you look at it the other side, she's good.
Lukey's hard on shit.
Holy shit, it feels so weird.
There.
Into the dark, trying not to lose myself when I go too far.
Danny from Life.ATV here, got Code behind the camera.
How's it going, guys?
And as promised, we kind of did a little teaser in one of the videos. I think it was the one where Dom was coming out. We kind of showed this machine that we had, a KFX 450R, and here she is. And she looks a little bit different than probably last time than they seen it, right, Code?
Yeah, you did a couple things to it.
Yeah, we kind of started the transformation process. Definitely nowhere where we'd like it right now, I'd say.
Some of the stuff you ordered's on back order. And
Yeah, I mean, like you guys know, it's hard getting parts now, but it's pretty much got the front end done.
Yeah, you guys are sitting in the back seat.
all those guys sitting in the back.
That's freaking horsepower.
Oh God, I see her, man.
How's it going?
It's going. We got products there.
Yeah, you do. What is it? Our max, buddy.
Oh, there she is, Gold. Ah, dang, man, she looks awesome.
Wow.
Gold, she looks pretty nice in person, don't she?
I can ride in this building.
Weed whacker. She looks good, buddy. She looks good. Let's go.
Boys.
Sure now.
Oh yeah, Bombs. You could use one of these, buddy.
Much of a seat on the bastard, is it? I like a wider seat, buddy.
I did it all on my own, no promo. I got fans getting tats on my logo.